Alright, I figured since this morning I tossed out those other fans, I figured I'd do this one. I mean, successful of that resurrection, I figured we can try this. I mean, we know that works, but I'm probably going to need to get some heavy-duty synthetic oil for that, but that's another time. I actually was going to run this when you saw it, but the cord was cracked, and yeah. And since I already have a cord from the junked out Bionaire, I figured we can try that, if anything. And I swear, if I can't get this going or something goes horribly wrong, I'm done. So let's see what happens. Alright, first order of business, and since I've got to press record, this came off. So since I have a couple screws, I can probably fasten it back on with no problem. But this is what's going to bother me because we have a bunch of wires and everything. So, oh, let's see what we can do, if anything. Okay, all the old ass electrical tape is taken off, and I have no clue which is what, so. So, something is something. I know the red is on the red, and because this is a 2-speed, I mean, hell, if I end up ruining it to be a 1-speed, so be it, but. Okay, we got this. I think. Yeah. Alright. And for some reason I'm hearing the Andy Griffith Show tune. I don't know why. I'm not crazy. You're the one who's crazy. And all I wanted was a Pepsi. Okay. I'm just making sure I'm getting the right one, because if I don't, well then I'm screwed. Oh, that took a while, but it's off now. Try and see how I can get this cord out. Get the new cord in. Hooey boy. See that? Good thing I listened to my instinct and decided to replace this cord, because, yeah, that definitely could have not ended well. And been a top story on Channel 7, so, yeah. Sadly, this freshly stripped cord I had to cut so I can get it through the grommet. And why this camera won't focus, I don't know, but. So next step is to get the wires stripped, and we'll go from there. And I'm kind of a little worried about this one, but it seems to be alright. But first, I must have a sip. That's good. Alright, I got the thing stripped out, and I'm going to try my damnedest to wire them. It's going to be a challenge, but we're up for a challenge. Alright, one down. Finally, I had to do some jury rigging. I mean, I had to snip one side of the cord a little shorter for the other wire. And this, I mean, get that plate on, because it was being held by fasteners, which, up there, I got a screw in to hold it. That one wouldn't work, but we're just going to see if it works. And this was after about 30 minutes of griping, groaning, complaining, and that fan does nothing. It does nothing! So, what we're going to plug it up and give it a go, if anything. Okay, and a panic, I forgot to even check the amperage. So, let's see what we got. Well, I just noticed off the corner of my eye that it was shaking, doing the boogaloo. So this blade is freaked. This blade is so knackered, it's not even funny. And I tried to turn the oscillation off and I couldn't, so it's gonna do the boogaloo. And on low, this is low, it's running half an amp. That's 40 watts. I'm gonna see. Real quickly, I'm running almost 9 amps, so it is running a little high. So, hooray. How's the zoom on? Yay. And check spin down time now. This project is gonna probably forever be a project. Well, it's not perfect, but it works. Still gonna need to redo this blade and everything and find out how to stop the oscillation, but yeah, that's gonna do it for this video of this Robinson Myers R37004A that I got a package deal with this Sterling right here. While this works, it's gonna need some work. That's gonna need some work, but at least it works. And with a new cord, so, and I did kind of fumble it a little bit while I was switching speeds and everything. I think I got to where it won't shock me. Because like I said, running a fan with a frayed cord is not a good idea. Not only could you get hurt and get killed, it could probably burn your house down. So remember, safety third, kids. So, till next time, whenever it is, I'm Eskie, thank you for watching. Comic book soap.